How to enable the NFC and other NFC settings, or also add the toggle for quick access. This is the Redmi Note 13 Pro phone. Let's do it. For fast access of the NFC, you'll want to go ahead and use the quick panel access and tap on the edit icon right here. This is going to allow you to find the NFC toggle and add it into your quick panel access, allowing you to have it readily available to instantly access it at any given time, okay? Now, with that said and done here now, you can now go into the main settings of your Redmi Note 13 Pro phone here. If you want to just simply look for it quickly and access it, you'll come here in this section here, and you're gonna go into the more connectivity options. And from here, you'll go to NFC. Here is where you can actually turn it on and off. Okay, and you can turn it off if you want to. And you also got the other settings for the NFC as well. Okay, don't receive any notifications about unrecognized NFC tags for the do not disturb mode and a few other settings here. Okay, so like and sub.